And now your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Now, sometimes when you take your weather photo, maybe you ask yourself, what is the easiest way to get your photo shown on WZDX News or get me to post it on my Facebook? To be quite honest, I don't have an answer to that question, but if you ask Anthony G. over in Owens Crossroads, he might have an answer to that question. Aside from that, here's a very nice picture of the snow over in Owens Crossroads. Take that picture for what it's worth. Another picture from Kevin over in eastern Limestone County. He told me that he has 3 inches on the ground. It's a bit of a combination of snow and a little bit of sleet. I really would love to see your weather photos. I know everybody loves to go out and take pictures of the snow. Just do it safely. Don't be slipping and sliding all around your sidewalk. Text me those pictures. The number's right there on your screen, 256-382-2692. I really do appreciate it when you send me your weather photos. Snow still coming down over in Florence. You can see it really accumulating on the docks there in the Florence Harbor. Temperatures currently in the upper 20s, lower 30s over in northwest Alabama. Florence right now has a temperature of 30 degrees. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 o'clock in the morning for Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, Limestone, Morgan, Madison counties in northern Alabama, Giles and Lincoln counties up in southern Middle Tennessee. We still have a winter weather advisory in effect as well for Jackson County and northeast Alabama and Coleman County as well. That winter weather advisory not going to expire until 6 o'clock in the morning. Pinpoint Viper alive with many colors this evening. We're still talking about some moderate or even heavy snow across northwest Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties. Some heavier snow across Lawrence County. Snow is beginning to mix with a little bit of rain across Madison and Limestone counties, maybe even up across southern Middle Tennessee. Maybe we're talking about a little bit of sleet and freezing rain across southern Madison County, getting into Morgan County, and then across northeast Alabama. Unfortunately, you're missing out on the opportunity for some snow, maybe a little bit of frozen precipitation mixed in with just a fair amount of rain. This is all thanks to an area of low pressure sitting to our south. It's gradually going to move to the northeast as we head into the later part of the overnight. Temperatures are actually beginning to increase just a little bit across the Tennessee Valley. At one point over at Huntsville International, they were down to 30 degrees, have since increased to 32. Down to 29 at one point, Athens and Decatur have since increased to 31. 30 right now in Florence, 30, both Russellville and Moulton. Fort Payne, good evening. You're the warm spot. You've been the warm spot all day. You currently find yourselves sitting at 36 degrees. Warming temperatures means we begin to see a bit of a transition from a little bit of snow to a little bit of rain, and that's exactly what Futurecast is giving us. By 10 o'clock this evening, more rain beginning to spill into Madison County, but we're still talking about widespread snow across northwest Alabama. By 11:30, 12 o'clock, still talking about some rain across Madison County and northeast Alabama. The winter precipitation finally coming to an end across northwest Alabama. We continue to hold on to that opportunity for some scattered showers early into Thursday morning across northeast Alabama, but by the time we get to the morning commute, it does look like everybody is finally going to begin to dry out. Some other opportunities for a couple of scattered snow showers move into far northwest Alabama by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. It does look like many of us are actually going to remain relatively dry through Thursday afternoon, even as we head into Thursday evening. Here's that temperature increase as we head later into the overnight, early into the morning, 33, 34. Eventually, we find ourselves right around 35 degrees. When it's all said and done, folks across northwest Alabama, 4 to 5.5 inches of snow across the I-65 corridor. Looks like we're talking about 2 to 4. Unfortunately, those in northeast Alabama really don't get much, maybe a half an inch to an inch. Look at the 7-day forecast. 43 on Saturday, 55 degrees on Sunday. Ignore Monday, it comes with rain. 58 on Tuesday, 62 degrees next Wednesday. Connor, in literally 1 week, we are going from like 5 inches of snow to 62 degrees.
You know, I've said this a lot. Love the sun, love the warm weather, but I'm not gonna lie, when the snow started falling here at the station tonight, kind of feel like a little kid. You get excited about it.
No, there was something so exciting about going out and looking at the snow, taking some videos, doing some Facebook Lives. It's just fun.
Yes, very beautiful. Thank you, Jordan.